Hi Sunshines! I wanted to go over one of the example problems for your ALEX. So here we go. This is the figure. You have a quadrilateral inscribed inside of a circle. One of the sides is the diameter of the circle, and you have one arc given to you and one angle given to you. This is a 3-letter arc, which means it's probably a major arc. It starts at G, goes past H all the way around to E. So you're looking at the big giant one. Also, obviously, we're given the measure of it. We know it's more than 180. That tells us it's a major arc. So there are some formulas that are really important to know when you're dealing with inscribed angles and inscribed shapes. You know that your central angle is the same as your arc measure, so some of the questions look at central angles. Most of them are just looking at the inscribed angles. Your inscribed angle is the arc divided by 2, or you could say that the arc is double your inscribed angle, depending on which one you're given and which one you're finding. So here we're given an arc, so we want to divide that by 2 to find the inscribed angle. So GHE is this one here. So that means angle F is our inscribed angle that goes with that arc. So angle F is going to be 264 divided by 2, which is 132. So there's a property of quadrilaterals inscribed into circles that says that the opposite corners are going to be supplementary to each other, which is what the last question is all about. The last question is making you kind of figure out that property for yourself, but that's your end goal, is showing that they're supplementary. So the reason is because if I take that arc and I subtract it from 360, I get the corresponding minor arc. The opposite angle in the quadrilateral goes with that minor arc. So that's going to be half of the minor arc. And since the arcs make 360, the angles are going to make 180 when you add them together. So to find angle H, which is one of the things we're supposed to be finding, angle GHE is angle H on your quadrilateral. All I have to do is subtract this from 180. So 180 minus 132 equals 48 degrees. And then to find angle E, that's going to be the opposite of G, so it's going to be 180 minus 117. Which is 63 degrees. So those are the two answers. The last question is looking at the properties, so it's just combinations of those halves. It's just questions about this arc is double this angle is half of this arc. So you just have to kind of keep track of these formulas, and you should be able to work it out from there. If you have any questions, as always, send me photos of your work on Remind, and I will do my best to help you. Have a good day, Sunshines.